In Lindström, we have the PRODEM model. It means production on demand model, which brings you high quality workwear exactly when you need it. No more, no less. But why is it important for you as a customer? Most of this process happens behind the scenes. What you notice is simply smooth and beautiful customer experience. We are closer to you. PRODEM facility is strategically situated in Central Europe, helping us to serve Central, Western and South European countries more efficiently through local workwear manufacturing. This means fast and flexible delivery times for your orders. Sustainability is also an important part of our model. Many of our customers have their own sustainability targets, and a demand-based production in Europe helps to support those targets.
For us, the order is the starting point. We do not manufacture in advance. Customer demand triggers the process. That's why we focus on rapid response and efficient lead times, not on unnecessary inventory. Our operations are built on lean principles. We work in cell-based production with single piece flow. The goal is simple. The product should move smoothly through production with minimal waiting time. This is supported by an organized, standardized work environment and fact-based management. For us, metrics are not reports. They are the foundation of the daily improvement. Planning and daily management are supported by state-of-the-art computer systems that let us track and adjust orders and capacity in real time. Production planning and the subsequent processes for processing, cutting, patterns are carried out using the most modern systems. Cutting is performed using CNC-controlled automatic cutting machines. Transparency is enhanced by RFID-based identification so we can track each product journey. The process is traceable and easily measurable. Inside the factory, product transport is handled using a modern rail system. And perhaps most importantly, we do not have a traditional finished goods warehouse. The goal of daily production is to get the product to the customer as quickly as possible, one of the model's great strengths. Finally, at PRODEM, we work with the latest generation of energy-efficient machines, so sustainability is as tangible as quality. Material usage is optimized and resulting fabric scraps and leftover ends are fully recycled. The most important takeaway is that our regional model delivers exceptional strength through rapid turnaround, dependable delivery and flexible customer-centric service, all while driving continuous operational improvement.
PRODEM also gives you better visibility and cost control. Every one model manufactured at PRODEM is equipped with RFID chip, which allows you to connect all your workwear to our online solution Lindström. With just a few clicks, you can access and download reports on garments in use, pending orders, assets by employee, invoice pieces, historical data, and much more. To summarize, PRODEM makes our service more flexible, more sustainable, and more reliable for you. And this is how the business partnership in 21st century should look like, don't you think?